Hello everyone, I'm Francesca. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have the best recipe for you all for a single serving vegan mac and cheese, because if you're like me, I'm the only vegan during the holidays in my family, so sometimes those giant trays of vegan mac and cheese are just too much. So this is perfect for one person, and of course if you want to scale it up for 2 people, 3 people, 4 people, it's easy to do that. As always, the full written out recipe is on my blog. There's a link in the description box down below for that. The ingredients are written in the description box down below, links for my cookbook, sign up for my newsletter, anything you want to know, check it out down below. And today's a really special day because it's my 30th birthday. So I just want to say thank you so much to everybody who has been here, who has supported me, and thank you for being part of my journey, part of my life. Thank you guys so much for watching, and let's get into the recipe. We're going to start this off by making a roux. So we're taking a tablespoon of butter, letting that melt down, and then we're going to take a tablespoon of all-purpose flour and whisk this together until the butter is absorbed into the flour. If you're gluten-free, I cover that in the blog post. Then we're going to slowly add in non-dairy milk. I'm using an unsweetened, unflavored almond milk. You can use any non-dairy milk that you like for this recipe. Just make sure it's not flavored, because we don't want to end up with a vanilla tasting mac and cheese. I'm adding it in slowly and whisking continuously, so that way we get a really nice, smooth, creamy start for our vegan cheese sauce. And once it looks something like this, we are going to start to add in our next round of ingredients. So we're going to first add in our spices. We of course have lots of them. We got some garlic powder, paprika, salt. Then we're going to add in some vegan cream cheese. We have vegan cheddar cheese. I'm using the one from Violife. You can shred your own if you like, or you can use already shredded. I used already shredded. And you're going to keep continuously whisking this over a low heat until it gets creamy and smooth and melted. Just be patient with it, and it will get to your desired consistency, just like this. Now, in a perfect world, I would have boiled my pasta at the same time, but for the sake of making an aesthetic YouTube video, I of course had to boil my pasta in a glass pot. So we're going to boil that until it is cooked. Then you're going to work on your breadcrumbs. So to the breadcrumbs, we're adding garlic powder, paprika, salt, and parsley flakes, and you're just going to mix this together. We're going to slowly add in melted vegan butter. I do this slowly so that way I can mix it and then add more, mix it, add more, so that way all the breadcrumbs get to absorb some. Throw this in the oven at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for 7 minutes until they get nice and crispy. You can also do this ahead of time if you want. Once your pasta is done, we are going to drain it, and make sure to save some of the starchy pasta water. It's very important. You can use any pasta you like. I love Elbows for this. Our vegan mac and cheese sauce is still looking good. If you need to add in a little non-dairy milk if it got thick. And then we're going to add in the pasta, and we're going to mix this up, and then you're going to start to add in a little bit of that reserved pasta water. It just helps with the starchiness, because it helps the pasta to absorb and the sauce to stick to the pasta better. So that's why we like to save a little bit of that pasta water. Keep mixing, keep blending everything up until it looks nice and creamy. And the final thing to do is just going to be to add this into a bowl in a second. But how good does that look? That's exactly how I want my vegan mac and cheese to look. So we're going to add it into our bowl, and then we will top it with those crispy breadcrumbs. And I love this because I love stovetop mac and cheese, but I also love the breadcrumb aspect. So I get the best of both worlds here, and that is just a thing of beauty, is it not? How good does that look? Like I said earlier, full written out recipe is on the blog, and I write the ingredients down below. And for any substitutions, if you're gluten-free, go check it out. Check out the blog post. I cover things there, and I hope you guys try this out. If you do, let me know and leave a comment down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.